Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Hotspot not working on iPhone. Let's get started. So swipe down to open up your control center, and you need to make sure your mobile data is turned on. Simply turn it on because your hotspot won't work without it. After that, open up settings and just like that, tap on personal hotspot. If it's turned off, you need to go ahead and simply toggle it on. And now, if it's already turned on, simply turn it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn back on. Simply tap on Wi-Fi password and try changing it. You can also go back to settings, tap on general, and just like that inside here, simply tap on about and then tap on name and slightly change your iPhone's name. This refreshes your hotspot network and can fix connection problems. After that, on the device you're trying to connect with, go to Wi-Fi settings and then find your iPhone hotspot and then tap on forget this network. After that, reconnect using the new password you just set. If it still does not work, you need to go ahead and simply reset your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume down button, and just like that, simply slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. And just like that, try the hotspot again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your hotspot not working on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.